Okay, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix, and in today's video we're going to do a little bit of plane spotting at JFK International Airport in New York City. Coming up next. Okay, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix, and like I said, we're going to do a little bit of plane spotting today. We're going to head over to JFK International Airport right here in New York City and do some plane spotting, check out what the activity is on the runway, on the taxiways, and only in 640 AM The Mix style, we're going to add some tower audio, JFK tower, tower to ground, ground to tower, all that good stuff, and some plane spotting. So, enjoy.
Good afternoon, Airlines guest traffic flight 104 with service to Dublin. We are engaging the following guests: Thomas Butler, Ross Fitzgerald, and Aoife Walsh. If you're on the gate area, please see us here gate number 11 for passport verification. Once again, your pages Thomas Butler, Ross Fitzgerald, and Aoife Walsh. If you're on the gate area, please see us here gate number 11 for passport verification. Thank you.
Wazowski, Khaled,
Paul Amahony, Anthony Phillips, cardiac 2, Joseph Benjamin Collins, cardiac 2, Declan Power, Kathleen Beth Schultz, Tom Edo Abraham, cardiac 5, Anita Cannon, Moira Philomena Fitzgibbon.
Okay, there you have it, plane spotting out of JFK International Airport in New York City. In addition to that, we supplied some tower audio courtesy of the HanRongDa HRD-737, a perfect pocket little radio, fits anywhere. You can take it with you to the airport, you can take it with you on the airplane, and you can fly around with it. So it's great for the airport. Have a seat, watch the planes go by, and you can listen to the tower audio simultaneously. The clips that I used in this video were basically leftovers from other videos, so I was able to piece them together and do a little bit of plane spotting. So I hope you enjoyed it, uninterrupted. Comment below, tell me what you think of plane spotting out of JFK, and don't forget, like and subscribe, and check out the description for the final word on this edition of plane spotting here at 640 AM The Mix, New York's only home for house and techno and plane spotting.